Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Australia to India through Remitly. First, you have to create an account of Remitly in Australia. Make sure your location is Australia and your sender location is set to Australia in your Remitly account. Then you have to log into your Remitly account through the Remitly website, or you can use the Remitly mobile application. The process in this both platform is same. First, you have to select the country. You just need to set the sending country to India here. Then from here in this exchange rate section or in the mobile application, you will find the send button, but just click on it and you can there select the country. But in the website you can select from this drop down option. You just need to search for India and you will get this. Simply click on it, and after selecting it you can find that your account sending country has changed to India. Then simply you just need to click on the send money button here. There you can find to send money from here. Now you can see I'm sending money to the India, and you will find the best rate in Remitly from here, and click on send money button. And you can also click on this button here, and after the loading short loading, you will find this page where you can enter the amount that you want to send, and Remitly will automatically convert the money that according to the best exchange rate. Then in delivery section, delivery speed section, you can choose express, which is Remitly's best or fastest transfer, and you can pay this with your debit and credit card, and the rate is here, you can see. Also you can select the economy, which will provide you Remitly's best price. It will provide the best exchange rate from here, but it will take some times more than express here. And then after selecting that, you will find the fee here and the total amount here. Then the total amount is now $103.99, and from here you can select the delivery method. You can go with the bank deposit, you can use UPI or cash pickup. You just enter the details of your recipients. You can, what is UPI? UPI is a payment system what allows you to easily send money to an Indian bank account, and you can read further. And you just need to click on bank account if you want to send money to your recipient. So through the bank account you can find so much options here. You just need to get the details from your recipients about their bank account and the bank name from here, and other information related to their bank account. Now from UPI you just need to ask for the virtual payments address that you need to send to your recipients. And then you can also go with the cash pickup. Here is also so many cash pickup options available here. You can select all of these that your recipients have, and you just need to enter the recipient's ID here. You just need to ask for your recipient's ID, their like their first name, last name, the ID information, ID number. Then after entering the recipient's details, you just need to go to the next step where you just need to enter your details, the sender details, where in the sender details section you just need to enter your details like your name, your address according to your Remitly account. Then you have to choose a payment method that you want to use to transfer the money to India. Then after correctly entering your payment method details, you will redirect it to the payment method transaction page, where you just need to enter the credentials of your payment method and confirm the transaction, and you will get a receipt about this transaction. Also you can find the transaction history or more details in the transaction history in Remitly. That's how you can send money from Australia to India through Remitly easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.